Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using floral statements, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Thanks from Floral Statements, and I have a piece of designer series paper from Floral Romance, and I have our stamp mounted on clear block E. And I'm going to come in with Blackberry Bliss. And our designer series paper is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to come and stamp this upside down to make sure it's good and covered. All right, and then I'm just going to put it here in the center. All right, so just like that. And I'm going to come in with my braided linen trim. And let's see, I think, yeah, I'm just going to do it twice, one on top and one on the bottom. And make sure that it's flat. I'm just going to put this down with some tape. Got a little bit on the top here, so I'll fix that in a minute. Just trim that off, and then I'm going to get another piece for the bottom. I really like the way the stamp looks on the wood grain. Kind of rustic. All right. And our card base is rich raspberry, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. Just going to come in with my snail adhesive here. So just like that. And then I also have these frosted flowers. I think I'm going to use those. And I just want one in the top and bottom corner, just like that. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!